Hey everyone out there, just a little winter project. It's going to be quite a while before I can actually use it, but I decided to get this lawnmower tuned up in my garage here. It's a lawnmower, model year number on was made 1987, model number 4262. I was having problems where it was stalling a lot, and I decided this little winter project here to try to get it going again. The root of the problem was the carburetor needed cleaning and the governor spring needed to be replaced. But once that was fixed and that kind of stuff was taken care of, another problem popped up. The bowl on the fluid on the bowl came loose, so I had to fix that as well, because it'll die out in a minute. But anyways, it runs really well, probably a lot better than a lot of that junk you buy at friggin' crappy tires or something, you know. It's a good old motor, and let's hear it rock.